So we will be making a sculpture that is considered in the round. An in the round sculpture is when you can see all four sides. So you're going to start by taking one of your note cards and drawing a shape or a letter. You can draw a geometric shape or an organic shape, capital, lowercase letter, it doesn't matter. The most important thing though is that you are filling the space, because if you make your letter or shape way too small, it will not be sturdy enough for your sculpture. After you have finished cutting out your note cards, what you'll do next is decorate both sides of your cards. Yes, both sides, because our sculpture is considered in the round, so you'll actually be able to see both sides of your cards. When you are creating your slots, it's very important that you don't make teeny tiny, very shallow slots, because you will not be able to put your sculpture together. It'll be way too flimsy and you'll notice that it'll just fall apart. So when you are cutting your slots, you need to make sure that you are cutting really deep into your note card, and so when you put them together, as you can see, it'll be very sturdy, no flimsy, no wobbling, it'll be perfect. If you're interested in creating a curve in your design, you'll need to cut multiple slots into your cards as shown. So you may notice that your sculpture might be a little wobbly. That's perfectly normal, and what I would do to fix that is just take a little bit of tape and you're going to actually just pinch it into all the little joints that we've created. And by joints, I mean those slots that we made. So once you're ready to attach your sculpture to your base, I highly recommend that you just put a little dab of hot glue directly to the bottom of your sculpture, and voila!